Don't miss this wonderfully built brick/stone front one-story home, featuring an open floor plan, 9 feet ceilings throughout, a walkout basement, and 3-car oversized garage. Great room boasts a tray ceiling, and a wall of windows, letting in lots of natural light. Kitchen features custom staggered height cabinetry with crown molding and hardware, large center island, granite countertops, pantry, and appliances include stove/oven, microwave, and dishwasher. Kitchen also has attached dining area with access to the 16 by 12 deck, perfect for grilling and relaxing. Waterproof plank flooring in kitchen, dining, great room and foyer. Spacious master suite with a large walk-in closet and attached master bath with double bowl vanity and custom marble shower with frameless glass door. The walkout basement includes many windows and a door leading to the second patio.